Alright, so let's move past the interview process. So you got into SPJIMR, right? So that's a huge result. It's one of the best colleges in the country. In fact, I would say the best private B school in the country. XLRA graduates might disagree, but yeah, I would still maintain that. So I want to know that now you're going into the B school, right? I've always heard this, that that's a huge culture shock when people go into a B school, because people think of it as an engineering college or as a bachelor's college, when it is not. Because as soon as you go in, within the first week, there is so much happening in the college and there is so much that is expected of you to catch up with.
Right.
How overwhelming was that? And what all experiences did you have in the first couple of weeks at SPJ?
So people think that once you've gotten into a college, you can rest. It's the finishing line. Couldn't be further away from the truth. It is just the starting. You have to hit the ground running, right? Within 2-3 weeks, it hits you like a bus. Like it comes at you with full force, and if you don't catch up, then you are lost. Something or the other happens, right? Because within the first term, your academic start, you have a lot of seniors call you, and something or the other engagements, activities are going on. At the same time, your resume is being made because summer placements are going to come. You are getting prepared by the seniors for summer placements. You also have random orientations which are happening. So everything, everywhere, all at once. That is what is happening. And you suddenly lose sleep, right? Not because it's not a choice. People need to understand that losing sleep in MBA is not a choice. It's just that so much is going on that you end up doing that. So once that happens, it is a culture shock. So yeah.
Okay, so you said a few things there. You talked about academics. You talked about clubs and committees. You talked about orientation sessions. So let's approach each of these one by one. The part of an MBA that I don't hear people conversing about a lot is the classroom learning and the academics. So why do you think people don't focus on it a lot, and why do people talk about networking more, and then clubs and committees a lot more, and then internships and interviews a lot more, and maybe even case competitions a lot more? I want to understand that, is academics that easy to sail through, or is it something that does not take too much amount of your time?
I think SP is academically heavier than other colleges, right? And I wouldn't say academics is easy. It's not, because I'm an engineer and suddenly they're like, okay, finance. There are people from finance backgrounds who've done BCom, BSc, and then suddenly they're like, okay, quants. It's not easy. You're learning everything from everywhere, and that is important to learn. Why people talk more about activities, clubs and committees, or maybe case competitions, interviews, because at the end of your MBA, that is a visible result which you are able to tell other people that, I got into this company, this is XYZ is my package. And if you're not able to get that ROI, people are like, why did you do an MBA? But that is not all there is. And that is a difference you see when you go into your internship. Because for a college which has taught you well, for teachers who have trained you well with a good curriculum, and if you have studied well, you go into an internship far more prepared than the people who have not done that. So you go there, you know what it is to expect. You already are 2 or 3 steps ahead.